Hello happy people, I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you all how to remove these BTArtbox press-on nails that I applied using the Beauty Secrets viral nail glue from Sally Beauty, as well as the gap filled solid nail glue from BTArtbox. I only use that on one of the nails, but I want to show you all how to remove this beautiful set. I am going to give you all weekly updates. They did last for a total of 2 weeks, and I'm going to show you what it looked like week by week, as well as how to safely remove them. So stay tuned. Okay, happy people, I'm back with a quick update. It has been exactly 1 day since I applied my press-on nails, and so far so good. All of them are holding up, no lifting or anything like that. But as I previously mentioned, I do experience peeling with the French tip press-ons from BTArtbox, and of course that did happen on my thumbnail. Unfortunately, I did apply primer to try to combat this, but it makes me wonder if I did the primer on this nail, because none of the other nails have lifted so far. And I was trying to get a sticker off of something, and that's what caused this to end up lifting. So I'm going to repair this really quick. I don't have time to redo all of my nails. So I'm going to just go ahead and peel this off like so. Looks like it peeled right up to the French tip. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of alcohol here and rub this off like this. It did take off just a smidge of the French tip, but I'm gonna just let that be. Like so. And then next what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of primer again, hoping that that causes it not to peel. So I'm gonna apply that specifically just to the part that actually peeled up. I'm gonna do it like that. Then this time around, I'm gonna just go in with my zombie top coat, because this is like a thicker top coat. So I am going to just do this to the whole nail and then cure for 60 seconds. Flip for 10, cure for 60. Alrighty, so this is what the nail is looking like after it has been prepared or repaired. So yeah, like I said, I just went in with that primer and that top coat, and I hope it doesn't peel again, but we will see. So yeah, I will be back with an update. Okay, happy people, I'm back with a 1 week update. It's been exactly 1 week since I applied these nails, and they are going strong, y'all. I'm pretty impressed with that Sally Hansen press-on glue. I have not experienced any lifting at all whatsoever on the nails. I mean, honestly, it looks like I still just applied this set. Yeah, they're looking great. This nail in particular, I did apply with that BTArtbox solid nail glue, but no lifting on this hand either. Only issue I've had so far since applying these nails was that peeling of the top coat on my thumbnail, and I showed you guys how I repaired that. But yeah, outside of that, going strong. I did notice there might be a little bit of peeling on this middle finger here, because I noticed that like there was like maybe a little bit of dirt on it, and then I just kind of like scraped it and it came out. So I think there's slight peeling of the top coat on this nail, but as far as the nails being on and intact, that Sally Hansen nail glue is going strong. Like I said, no lifting. It doesn't even feel like it's getting loose or about to come off or anything like that. So far so good. I will be back with a 2 week update. I'm just going to try to wear these as long as possible just to see what the wear time is like, but so far so good. Okay, happy people, I'm back with how many days has it been? It's been about 14 days. No, not 14. It's been about 11, 12 days since I applied these nails, and you all saw how I had to repair my thumbnail. So far, not a lot of lifting. Well, no lifting at all, actually. So everything's holding up well on the nails, but I did want to come on really quick because I'm having just a little bit of peeling on my index finger. You all can see here. So I did apply primer to try to combat the peeling, but I had it on my thumb and I had it on my index finger. None of the other nails are peeling though, which is good, but I definitely want to stop. Well, actually, I think this one's trying to peel as well, but it's not peeling as bad as the index. So I am going to just do what I did on the thumbnail and just break this little piece off like this. I'm gonna just peel off what I can here. I don't want to disrupt the French tip at all. Just peel off what I can without causing too much ruckus. Oops, like so. And I'm gonna leave it just like that. I'm gonna take a little bit of alcohol here and rub the nail down with alcohol to clean it off. All right, and so I'm gonna take my acetone here, and then I'm gonna put the primer on the entire nail like so. I definitely want to focus it on that corner here. Oh no, the primer's disintegrating the design. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're still gonna go with it though, because I do think that helps prevent the lifting. Okay. From there, I'm gonna go in with my zombie top coat, and I'm gonna do a generous layer on the entire nail. Oops, like so. Flip for 10, cure for 60. Alrighty, so this is what the nail is looking like prepared. So hopefully it does not peel anymore, that top coat. So yeah, I will be back with another update here shortly. Okay, happy people, I'm back with a 2-week update on how these nails are holding up. So this is how they're holding up so far. You can see there is a little bit of new growth here. And also on the thumbnail, you see there's new growth as well. A little bit of new growth on the right hand also, as well as on the thumbnail also. So I did notice that there is starting to be a little bit of lifting of the top coat on this thumbnail over here, as well as lifting on the top coat on this middle finger here. So that's the only 2 caveats. The nails, they are starting to lift ever so slightly, as you all can see, so that nail glue is starting to loosen up, which is actually just in time for me because I'm ready to take this nail set off and apply a new set. This hand isn't lifting as bad as the other one was. Is lifting more on the ring finger and the pinky, but on the middle finger and index finger there's not a lot of lifting at all. This nail did pop off. I was picking up something and my nail snagged on it and it popped off, and it did hurt pretty bad. I went ahead and reapplied it because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep these on for another week or not, but I think I'm ready to take these off. And so I want to show you guys how I do the removal. I was going to go in with some nail debonder, but I think I changed my mind. I think I'm going to just go in with some soapy hot water and oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply oil to all of my nails, and I'm just going to make sure that I get it right underneath the nail to make sure you know, it gets as loose as possible. And then I'm going to do it on the other hand as well. Again, I'm going to just go right up underneath the cuticle area and just try to get as much oil underneath the nail as possible, like so. And then I'm going to do it on this thumb. I know this thumbnail is going to be stubborn to get off because I just reapplied it and this nail glue is pretty strong. But in the meantime, let's go ahead with, I got some soapy hot water here. So I'm going to go ahead and soak my nails for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so my nails have been soaking for about 5 minutes. So I want to go ahead and attempt to remove my nails. So I do have here a cuticle stick, and I'm just going to go under the nails and see if I can get it to just pop off. The big thing you want to do is make sure you break that seal before you pop the nail off, like so. Seems like it's coming up for the most part. There we go. Yeah, perfect. Yep, pop right on off. That's perfect. Going with the next nail here again, I'm gonna go in at that side wall, try to break that seal as best I can, and then just wedge it off. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, I like that they're not super hard to take off. Like so. Oh, that one kind of ripped off part of my nail. Yeah. Oops. Oh no, that's just nail glue. Okay. That was my nail. That was just nail glue still. Okay. So go in and break the little corner here, and then break the corner on the other side. Okay, and then pop right off. Okay, so the residue that's remaining on the nail is nail glue, not the actual nail. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this side off as well. Again, I'm gonna break one corner like so, and then break one corner like so, and then it pops right off. That's awesome. Do that for each nail. I like that the removal isn't too hard either. So, and I think it helps that the nails, like I said, were lifting a little bit already, and the oil with the hot warm water did the trick. So got all of those off. Now this one I don't think is going to be as easy because I just applied it, like I said, a few days ago, but I could be wrong. Let's see. Okay, it's coming up. Oh, perfect. That came up way easier than I had expected, so that's great. And then I don't know if this nail is going to come up as easy because I did apply this with the solid nail glue, but it seems like it is. So that's impressive also, y'all. I didn't think this would be able to come up with soapy hot water, but it looks like it is. Yay! That's exciting. Just take your time. Look at that. Okay, y'all, less than 5 minutes, nails are off. Yeah, I'm here for this Sally Beauty. So all the nails are off, y'all, so that's exciting. And I always get questions about if you can reuse the press-on nails. Yes, you can if you apply them with nail glue, or if you use some of my pop-off methods that I've shown in some of my previous videos. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this water cleaned up, but if you guys wanted to, you can set these off to the side, let them dry, and definitely reuse them for another set if you so wanted to. So yeah, I'll be back here shortly with my final thoughts. Alrighty, so this is what the nails are looking like after they have been removed. My natural nails feel good, nice and healthy, so definitely another shout out to BTArtbox. I feel like the gap filled solid nail gel worked really well on my thumbnail, and you all saw I was actually able to remove it with just hot water and soapy hot water and oil, which I was really impressed about. So that was really nice. I definitely love their X-Coat Tips press-on nails. You guys have seen me review these on my channel time and time again. Absolutely love it. And then obviously the biggest star of the show is the Sally Beauty Secrets nail glue. You all saw those lasted for a full 2 weeks and easy removal with oil and soapy hot water as well. So I definitely like this nail glue. I also love the tube packaging that it comes in, and how much product you get. You get 10 grams of nail glue. And I like this because it doesn't like dry out or clog up. So I'll be able to use this for plenty of sets. So yeah, if you all are interested in any of these products, I will leave them linked down in the description box below. For BTArtbox products, I do have a 12% off discount code. So if you guys are interested in saving a little bit of coin, I'll leave that discount code here on the screen as well as down below. And then this Beauty Secrets nail glue you can get from your local Sally Beauty Supply, or you can get it from Amazon. I will say it's probably better to just go in store and get it because it's like twice the price on Amazon, but honestly it's still worth it. I think it's a good nail glue. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Have you tried this nail glue and how did it work for you? I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.